Hi, this is Vigneshwar. You work in 19CS1052. So in this video, we're going to see about views in SQL. So in first question, create a view to display employee name and company name and salary, JDate and joining date, employee city and company city of the employees. So this is a code to create a view. So create a view of an view as select distinct a.ename and a.cname and a salary and joining date and b.city, so employee city and b.city and c.city and a.city from employee company table and employee table, so and company table. So see where a.ename equal to b.ename and b.city is equal to c.city. So the view was created. So this is the view. So coming to second question, select a view name and text from the user views data dictionary view. So this is that one. Select a view name from a text from a user views. So this is that output came. And so coming to third question, attempt to change the joining date of Anil to 10th December 1999. The view which is created is the view updatable. If yes, is the updation reflected in the data table. So update at vi2, that is view, set j date is equal to 10 December 1999 where the ename is equal to Anil. So the data manipulation operation is not legal on this view. So this is error it came. And fourth question, create a view to v1 to display the employee name, salary and company name of employees who's work in a company ACC. So this is that one. Create view v1 as a select ename cname salary from employee table, employee company table where the cname is equal to account ACC. So that view was created. So select star from a vi1. So this is that view. And coming to fifth question, insert the following data into the base table, and this table we have to enter in a base table. So insert into employee company table where the value says Ashok cname is ACC, salary 1200 and j date is null. So I inserted this, that row was created. So and display I inserted tuple by using v1. So I select star from v1. So this is that one. And create the same with the check option. So create a view of vi3 as a select ename cname salary from employee company table where the cname is ACC with the check option I created. So that view was created. So select star from vi3. So this is that view I created. And create a view for retrieving company name, its average salary, its maximum and minimum salary. So create a view of vi4 as a select average salary and average and minimum salary of a minimum and maximum salary of max and cname from employee company table, the group by cname. So that view was created and I want to check that view. So this is that view. And coming to ninth question, write SQL query to create a view consisting of ename, cname and salary of the employees who joined later than the year 1 Feb 98 and contain the column cname and the cname and provide new column names and the employee company name. So this is I create a view. So create or replace view of v5 as a select ename cname as employee company table. So name and salary from a employee company table where the j date is lesser than first Feb and 98. So that view was created. The view is here. And coming to 10th question, create a view that gives information about employee name, salary and living city. So create view, I assign vi6 as a select a name, salary, city from employee company table and employee table b where a dot ename equal to b dot ename. So that view was created. I want to check that view. So this is that view. And coming to 9th question, perform inline view to display the top 5 salary employee names and their salaries. So select row num as a rank, ename salary from a salary from, and select ename salary from a employee company table and order by salary, that where row num is equal to 5 and that rank it's come 1 2 3 4 5 and the ename is came and that salary also came. And 12th question, write an SQL query to display the details of 5 employees who have joined recently the companies. So select row num as a rank and ename joining date from joining date, and from select ename joining date from employee company table order by joining date where row num is equal to 5. So this is the rank and ename and joining date is recently. So this is that views. So thank you for watching this video.